Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve zoom in into simple shots. Yeah, so this tutorial is for beginners, not for experts. Okay, so I'm going to add some zoom in effect. So I'm going to start with this first shot. I'm going to select this clip, and then I'm going to go to my browser over here, inspector, and then I'm going to add a keyframe, and I'm going to zoom in, I'm going to go to my last frame of this shot, and I'm going to zoom out. Yeah, so the effect is added. You can just check. That's good. So let's go to the next shot, and I'm going to go to first frame of the I'm going to add keyframe at the scale over here, and I'm going to increase the scale, and I'm going to zoom out. Yeah, so the keyframes have been added to both the start and end of the clip. Now let's see from the beginning. I'm going to press play. Yeah, it's a very simple technique used by many editors, and it's good for beginners who want to add little more style to their video, so you can use this. I've also done something more in the end. I'll just show you what it is. So this is basically a masking effect, and the shot is getting zoomed out. Yes, out of a television. It's a very simple way to do it. I haven't used any green screen over here. Yeah, but this is something I can show it to you in next tutorial about how to add mask and give this effect of zooming out of a television. I wanted to show you how to zoom in and zoom out using keyframes. You guys can practice this, and I have taken this footage from Pixabay. And please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to me on YouTube. And thank you so much.